We are 5 days away from our annual webinar on deciding what matters most in the coming year for math professional learning, math PD planning, for you district leaders of mathematics, math coaches, math consultants, math coordinators, superintendents, principals. You're in charge of math programming. We got a webinar coming up. I'm just super excited because I just built this. I want every person who is going to be attending this webinar is going to get our workbook. So we're building a workbook to accompany the four lessons, the four stages of Math PD that we are putting our district partners through when we partner with them on an annual basis. And we're going to give that to you so that you have the exact same plan we use when strengthening districts across North America. We use actually a 4-stage process, which we like to look at as a flywheel, but we're going to give you this workbook so that you can work through the same activities and come out the other side going, I know exactly what matters coming into 2024, 2025. You've gone through the necessary actions, you've gone through the necessary planning to figure out what those things are, and you're going to come out with objectives. You're going to come out with key results. You're going to come out with measurable action plans because you're going to follow the instructions in our workbook. We've got videos in here. We've got, examples for what other districts are coming up with, for what matters most in their districts and how to carry those out. So if you're going through this workbook, you're going to get the workbooks when you register and when you attend this webinar that's coming up next week. February 27th at 1 p.m. If you register, you're going to get that replay. But this workbook is going to help you figure out how to sustain your professional development, how to optimize the existing structures you have so that you're not wasting time. Thinking about who am I supporting? What are the levels of support that I'm providing? What are the templates that I could use to make my planning more efficient? We're going to talk about what should be in our professional development plans moving forward. So I've just built the workbook. We're going to send it out to everyone who registers. Hey, go ahead, register. There's a link right around here. Click it, register, and we'll make sure that you are set so that coming into the rest of this year, you can focus on what really matters. And then, so you're not like just throwing spaghetti at the wall every year. What we don't want is this time next year, you going like, I'm not sure exactly what worked and what didn't work in our professional development plan. You're going to know exactly what worked and what didn't work as you go through this webinar. That's what our goal is for you. So we'll see you there. Go ahead and register.